Hello, my name is Chantel and I'm a social media marketing manager. I manage accounts such as Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter. For your Instagram account, I take care of things such as posting stories, posting to your page daily, managing comments and also commenting on other people's posts. Video is so important on Instagram. That's why you really need to be using video and IGTV, because this is really going to help grow your page much faster than posting images. Instagram's really pushing video on their platform. They want people to be staying on their platform for as long as possible. So if you can create engaging videos as well as carousel and Instagram stories, Instagram lives, this is going to let the algorithm know that your account is really good because people are engaging on your content. My service is really great for people who haven't got the time or the skills to maintain their own Instagram account. I also provide Instagram account reviews for people who would like to manage their own account but just want a little bit of insight about how they can improve their accounts. So what are you waiting for? Let's work together!